welcome back as we continue the series with the options. So again, hopefully it's making a little bit of sense. And so again, strikes, what you see here, strikes is the stock price, the shares of stock. And so you see this blue, kind of this blue box here, and this blue box in the puts. So again, you have calls and puts. So in the money means when the stock of the call option is $0 to the current price of the current shares of Apple. So in this case, in the money would refer to anything from $0 to $121. So that's why you can see 121 right here is blue. Anything in black is considered out of the money. So OTM, ITM is in the money. So you might hear these words being thrown around. So out of the money, it just means that it's from the current price and above. So anything above 121 would be out of the money. So 122 is black because it's out of the money. So again, last is the current price of Apple trading. And the same thing with puts is just the exact opposite. So for puts, it's anything higher than the price, higher than 121 is in the money, and anything from the current price to zero is out of the money. Because puts again is you think the stock's going to go down, and calls you think the stock's going to go up. So that's why it's inverse of each other. So in the money is a little bit safer compared to out of the money. And so when you're looking at options and how to determine if it's a good option or not, what you want to do is you want to look at open interest and volume. So again, if you're using Thinkorswim, the way to switch volume, open interest, whatever you see here. So if you look right here, it says option chain, filter, spread, layout. If you click layout, you're gonna see a drop-down menu, and then you can do customize. So if you go ahead and click customize, it's gonna pick up this window. And then what you can do is you could just kind of pick what you want and add it. So I personally, what I like to look at is delta, theta, last price, open interest, and volume. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click OK. You could save it. And so we're going to get into Greeks, which is delta and theta, vega, gamma in the next video. But in this video, I'm just going to focus on open interest and volume. So right here where it says open interest and volume. So volume, what that means, again, we covered that a little bit in the shares of the stock. So volume just means how many people are trading this particular option. So we're going to look at we'll look at 121, for example, this one right here. So on this particular day up into March 19th, there's 26,732 people actively trading this option contract right now. So that's what volume is. So again, volume is just the amount of people in and out trading this current option price. Open interest is it's a little bit different. It's the amount of people that are in the trade, but not necessarily making trades today, for example. So there's 7,000 people that own this Apple 121 contract, but they're not actively trading it. So that means maybe they bought it maybe like 30 days ago, 2 weeks ago, but they're just kind of holding it and they're not actually trading it. So open interest means 7,000 people, 7,110 people are having this option contract but not actively trading. Volume is the amount of people that are actively trading on this particular day. So again, hopefully this is making a little bit more sense. And now on the next video, we're actually going to start going into Greeks.